I think a lot of people's problem is they worry about what the next person thinking.
Right.
Of them.
Right. They have all these people they either have to impress or keep happy or
that's
whatever.
What,
you know what I mean?
That's
like,
what. Yeah.
Yeah, man. I'm telling you. I don't. I've changed my mind frame on a lot of that shit, man. I'm just like not worried about the next person. I'm just doing me, you know. And as long as I'm not, infringing on nobody, I don't see, I'm not worried about it, you know. I'm just moving, just doing my shit, you know. I'm having a good time, you know. So yeah, it's like I'm not worried about what I specifically look like, you know.
Yeah.
This is just my clothes.
Yeah.
That's not me.
Right. This
is me up here.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Like you've said before.
Yes,
you know what I'm saying? Like, there's homeless people who got more knowledge than a lot of these people out here. You've said it before.
A lot.
You know what I mean? Can't judge a book by its cover.
You can't, man. You know.
Awkward intelligence.